Welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning about how do we arrange multiple Excel files side by side. Okay. When you have so many Excel file, what people do is they press Alt Tab, Alt Tab, Alt Tab to just switch between the windows. For example, Alt Tab I can press and I can switch between the windows which I have available on my screen. But however, suppose I have this Excel file. If I press Ctrl N, now those two files I want to see them side by side. Okay. So I will press Alt Tab. That is one method. Second is, if I want to see side by side, on the right hand side, if you see there's a maximize button over here, I can select this first option like this, and you can see those two Excels are side by side. So this is a manual method. But however, let me close this file. But if I have multiple files together and I want to see them side by side, how do I do that? So what I can do is I'll open let's say total four Excel files, and I want them to take up their place. So Control N, N, N. These are how many files now? Let me see. These are four Excel files which are open. Now I want them to be fit into four boxes over here. So view menu bar, and if you see arrange all. When I say arrange all, and if I want to select the option tile, if I select the option tile and if I click on OK, what happens is they will fit all the Excel files side by side. You can see this four Excel files are side by side. Now for me, if I'm just watching those four Excel files, if I'm just comparing those Excel files, this is the best way that I can see this Excel file side by side. You see? Okay, so these are four files. Maybe I can copy the data. Let's say an example, if I select this option as equal to, and I can just copy the data which is Mohit Pandey, okay, and I put here. So in this case, Mohit Pandey is a friend of mine from school. If I write as my name, let's say PavanLalwani, enter. So here if you see the data changes. It is easy to copy the data. It is easy to view the data. Okay, it becomes easy for everything. So what we have learned here is view menu bar, arrange all, and that's side by side. But now suppose I don't want these two extra files. Now I want to see these files vertically. Okay, so here I go. Let me expand. So if I go to view menu bar, arrange all, and if I say the option vertically, what is vertical? Standing line is a vertical, sleeping line is horizontal. So I've learned from the second class book. The standing line is a vertical, a sleeping line is the horizontal. So I select the option as vertical, and if I click on OK, if you see both the Excel files are in the standing line position. So, but the problem here is there are plenty of rows, plenty of column headers which I cannot see because the screen size is bigger. It has gone outside here. So if I want to see many columns, maximum columns, not many, if I want to see maximum columns, I will go to view menu bar, arrange all, and I can select the option as horizontal. Horizontal means, as I said, sleeping line. When I click on OK, and if you see, now all the columns are visible. I can see 10-20 columns approximately, and here also I can see multiple columns. So this is what you call arrange all option. View menu bar, again if I click on arrange all, there's an option Cascade. Cascade is like one below the other, one next to other. So when I click on OK, if you see, they are visible here. Okay, Cascade option. So when I press Ctrl N, 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 you can see how neatly they are arranged. Not exactly right now, but when I click on view menu bar, arrange all, and if I say Cascade, click on OK. So you see it looks like back to back they have been arranged in a proper manner. So people who work with many Excel files, they need to shuffle between the Excel files, and they have monitors, 2-3 monitors they work on. For them, this Cascade option would be very simple and easy. Though it is rarely used, but I would suggest you to use tile option and horizontal. These are two most used option in the view menu bar for arranging the data. That's it. So I hope you have understood about the arrange all option in Microsoft Excel. That's all for this video.